A few years back, I stumbled across this magazine, and in the magazine, I saw a photo of a cassette tape accent wall, and I instantly fell in love with the idea, and I knew that someday I had to recreate it. At the time, I didn't have a spot to put it, I didn't have a room to put it, I didn't have a house to put it, but I started collecting tapes, and after collecting tapes for a few years, I finally have a spot that's perfect for this accent wall, and I can't wait to get started on it. So my original plan here was to do like this super like rainbowy colorful wall. However, most of my tapes are actually white and gray, so it won't be like too colorful. Unfortunately, I do actually have another box of tapes that I forgot at my parents' house, but as much as it pains me to say, I am going to be using tacks on this freshly painted, nice, not even a single hole on it wall, because the tacks will just go right through the holes here and I can pull them off and put them back on. So like if I get them all up there and I don't really like how everything's looking, I can kind of move them around if I want to. So when I bring my other box here, I will be able to kind of move things around if I feel like I have some better tapes in that box to fit different places. And I did organize them according to color so that I could kind of like try and balance the scales a little bit when I am putting them up on the wall. Now, my only like fear here is that I will put them on extremely crooked. So hopefully that's not a thing. And I think I'm kind of just gonna wing it. One last thing before we get started, I would like to give my friend Gina an honorable mention because I would say at least 80%, if not 90% of these tapes she has given to me for Christmas over the past couple of years. So, and the box that I have at my parents' house also came from her. So this wall would not be possible without my friend Gina. So thanks, Gina. We're finally doing the wall. Let's do it. So far, this is what we have done. We've got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rows done. I have already cracked open my second box of second box of tacks. The tape selection is dwindling. I definitely do not have enough tapes to finish the wall, so we probably won't be finishing this today, but I'm gonna keep going until I basically get all the way until there's no tapes left, and we'll see where that takes me. I do find when I have to put the tapes in on like the very edge, I have to like kind of hammer them in. I don't know, there's probably like a stud or a piece of wood in there because this is like the edge of the wall. Do I love it? Yes, I do. I really, really do. I wish there was a little bit more color variation. It's very like gray, but I mean that can be worked upon over time. I'm also trying to save some of the like the really good ones, like these solid color ones. I think I only have 3. I've got like a blue, an orange, and like a red. I want to save them for like right around here because those are going to be like at eye level, and I want them to like be at eye level so I can see them. I really like it so far. My thumbs though, my fingers from pushing the tacks in the wall hurt so badly, and if I ever take this down, I'm literally going to hate myself for all of the holes that I'm going to have to fill in this wall. But for now, today, I'm very happy with what's going on here. So it's been a couple of days since the last bit of footage. I did go to my parents, I got the last box of tapes. However, there really wasn't a lot in the box. I thought that I had a lot more than I do. So I asked Tyler if he had any tapes, and he brought a bag of tapes from his parents' house over here. However, that bag that he brought was pretty much all black and clear ones. So I am gonna have to kind of work with what I have here if I wanna make the wall, you know, at least closer to finished. I don't think I have enough to go all the way to the floor, but we'll just kind of have to go as far as I can for now, and then I'll have to add to it later on as I get more tapes. So my plan here is, because I have a stack of black tapes, I think I might take a couple off of the wall already and kind of integrate some black ones here and there so that it's not like all colorful and then black ones. So I'll have to take a couple off here and there, maybe like 1 for every row or something like that, and just kind of disperse them. That way we can kind of blend it all in together. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I also realized I never even mentioned what my technique was for this. And basically what I've been doing is I've just been putting the tape on the wall, taking a pencil and coloring inside the little holes so I know where to put the tack, put the tacks in, and then put tape on the wall. I'm gonna go and start doing this again. With you guys and let you know that it is now a few days later because I actually ran out of tacks and then I couldn't find any more clear tacks, so I ended up finishing the wall with good old duct tape. I don't know how long the duct tape is going to last. I will replace the duct tape once I find more clear tacks, but I didn't want to start using the colored tacks like once we got down to like here, because that just wouldn't look good. I was impatient and I wanted to finish it, so I just used duct tape for now. They might fall off, I don't know, but they're just duct taped on for now. I didn't have enough tapes to go all the way down to the floor, so that is something that I will be adding to as I find more tapes at thrift stores and things. So this is the final look. As of right now, obviously. I am very, very happy with it, and I think it adds a lot to the space. It adds some color, it adds some, you know, like 90s vibes, and that's really all I have to say about it. So if you guys want to try this at home, I say do it. But yeah, I love it.
Sunsets in Boston, kissing yellow